controversial na pronouncement, declaration ng mismong alkalde ng New Jersey, si Mayor Michael Melham, na sinasabi na mga drone na ito ay talagang sadyang pinalipad ng kung sino man, dahil wala namang pag-amin dito ang US government, ng sino man para hanapin daw ang nawawalang radioactive material. Ito daw mga drone na ito ay may kakayanan na ma-detect yung radiation kung nandoon yung radioactive material, kaya't mababa ang kanilang paglipad.
In my opinion, they're looking for something. What might they be looking for? Well, potentially, we're aware of a threat that came in through Port Newark. Maybe that's radioactive material. There was and there is an alert that's out right now that radioactive material in New Jersey has gone missing on December 2nd. It was a shipment. It arrived at its destination. The container was damaged and was empty.
That the drones could be, sniffing out radioactive material from